Hello, my friend. Welcome to Roby English Zone. Do you think learning English takes years? Do you feel shy or afraid to speak? What if I tell you you can improve your English in just 7 days? Not perfect, but confident. Let's begin. Day 1. Just listen. Listen to English for 30 minutes. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. That is completely normal. Just feel the sound, the rhythm, the flow. Your brain is learning step by step. Day 2. Speak small. Say simple sentences. I am eating. I am walking. I am learning English. Speak for 15 minutes. Mistakes are okay. Silence is not. Day 3. Learn words. Learn 20 simple daily words. Use them in sentences. I feel happy. I start my work. Repeat again and again. Repetition builds your confidence. Day 4. Shadow practice. Listen and repeat immediately. No pause, no delay. Follow the speaker. Feel the speed, feel the tone. This will improve your fluency fast. Day 5. Think in English. Stop translating. Think simple thoughts. I am tired. This food is good. Keep it simple. Keep it natural. Day 6. Talk to someone. Ask simple questions. How are you? What are you doing? What did you eat? Just speak, even for 5 minutes. Speaking builds real confidence. Day 7. Speak without fear. Choose any topic. Speak for 1 minute. Don't stop. Don't think too much. Just speak. Record your voice and listen again. You don't need perfect English. You need practice, consistency, and courage. Start today. Stay consistent. Trust the process, and your English will change. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never give up.